This tip is for nail biting and what you can do to help stop or reduce the habit. Now, if you have gone through a couple of my playlists, you will likely hear me talk about strategies that involve pairing something relaxing with something that might be kicking off an anxiety-provoking habit. So if nail biting is coming from a place where a child might be feeling anxious, what you want to do is look for calming sensory stimulation. Give that to your child so that hopefully this will have an impact on the nail biting. So, for example, if your child has a pattern of nail biting before a certain task or during a certain task, what you'll want to do is give your child either a replacement out of the sensory toolkit or some pairing, maybe the weighted blanket if that's what you choose, and the calming sensory stimulation. But you're going to want to give them something to help them feel relaxed, which will hopefully alleviate the need to nail bite. So it's sort of a backdoor strategy because the idea is that if they're doing it secondary to anxiety, you're trying to find ways to help them feel more calm and relaxed so that way they're not targeting the nails. So if you haven't given the pair up idea a try or the channel idea to sort of help alleviate the oral sensory through something in the toolkit, take a look through those playlists and see if you can help manage the nail biting in that direction. This is one strategy in a playlist. So consider all the strategies and select what makes the most sense. Again, always keep in the forefront of your mind the idea that if something is happening due to anxiety, you want to be using calming sensory strategies with a sensory toolkit, a sensory diet as frequently as possible, because those backdoor strategies can help reduce nail biting and other challenging types of habits. Is it gonna be me?